Today we are going to talk about strong acid and weak acids. So what is acid? Acid is any substance that produce H plus ions or hydrogen ions when it is dissolved in water. For example, HCl, if we dissolve them in water, that will give us H plus ion and Cl minus ion. Okay. So H plus ions are responsible for acidic properties of solution. Strong acid. So what is strong acid? Strong acid is an acid that completely ionize or dissociate in the water. This means that almost every acid molecules break apart into ions. Here, examples of strong acids are HCl hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, HNO3, and sulfuric acid H2SO4. Example of complete ionization. Okay, so HCl gives us H plus Cl minus. So 100% of HCl molecules produce H plus ion. Weak acid is an acid that partially ionizes in water. Only small proportion of acid molecules produce H plus ions. For example, ethanoic acid CH3COH partially ionized in water, citric acid partially ionized, and carbonic acid. Examples of partial ionization. Here you can see CH3COOH, that is called ethanoic acid. That is a reversible reaction. Okay, so half of the molecules will make H plus ions, but some of the molecules will go into the reverse phase where they again make CH3COOH, and they are not completely ionized in the solution. The reversible arrow shows that the only some molecules are ionized. Strong acid versus weak acid. So strong acid completely ionized, where weak acid partially ionized. Strong acid produce H plus ions, whereas weak acid produce fewer H plus ions. Lower pH is higher than maybe 3 or 4. Okay, faster reaction, slower reaction. Okay, when there is less H plus ions, so reaction will be slow. Strength versus concentration. Strength and concentration are not the same thing. Okay, that's the important thing. Strength depend on how much the acid ionized. Strong acid ionized completely, and weak acid ionized partially. The concentration depends how much acid is dissolved in a given solution, given volume of solution. Okay, solution can be concentrated acid or dilute strong acid. Okay, concentrated weak acid or dilute weak acid. Okay, comparing strength and concentration. You can see concentration solution is concentrated hydrochloric acid, strong and concentrated. Okay, dilute hydrochloric acid, strong but dilute. Okay, concentrated ethanoic acid, weak but concentrated. Okay, dilute ethanoic acid, that is weak and dilute. Okay, the weak acid may contain more acid molecules than the dilute acid, but the strong acid still ionize more completely. pH and acid. Strong acid is always between 0 and 2. Okay. Weak acid is between 3 and 6. And 7 is neutral, we all know. pH depends on both the strength and concentration of an acid. Conductivity. Acid conducts electricity because they contain ions. Strong acid contain more, better electrical conductors. Weak acid fewer ions, poor electric conductors. Reaction with metal. Both strong and weak acid reacts with metal to produce salt and hydrogen gas. Okay. For example, 2HCl plus Mg will gives us MgCl2 plus H2. Strong acid usually reacts more quickly because they produce more H plus ions. Reaction with carbonate. The difference is that here we have one more product, that is carbon dioxide. So HCl plus CaCO3 gives us CaCl2, that is a salt, H2O and CO2. Okay. Strong acid generally reacts faster than the weak acid under the same conditions. Everyday example of strong acid, we use them in car batteries. Okay, sulfuric acid. Laboratory, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid used in a fertilizer manufacture. Weak acid is used in vinegar, citrus fruit, and fizzy drinks. That's all about it.